Hello, good morning everybody. Now I am wanting to recite one poem which is self-composed about no war but greenery for sustenance. The title of the poem is No War but Greenery for Sustenance. Now I reciting my poem. Its stroke starts at the advent of spring, how it will be furious during summer season. Seasonal weather is being altered due to changes of climate. All have to give attention for sustenance of life in this planet. Sunlight is beneficial during winter as act as bone medicine. Its effect in summer change due to earth movement starts head drilling. Cold treatment is badly needed, so use a sick air cooler refrigerator, causing pollution gas emission, thereby environment tremendously hampered. Earth, Sun, Moon, universe are interlinked in such a manner. Before human evolution, others were created for its food and shelter. Tolerance capacity for every living being is different as the type. As the temperature is rising, some flora fauna are totally extinct whenever could not survive. So at the time, it is most important to find out the cause and solution to control natural calamities, to save the lives in earth, not being impassive, to continue our battle, increasing rivalry and enmity. Consequences of explosion of atoms and nuclear bombs. How will it affect the world? All no less or more. To be aloof of the loss and destruction, cooperation, coexistence are much better. During 21st century in digital world, all can be helpful to each other, leaving the controversies as possible to contact anybody in no time for help at the time of necessities. We know that Earth is a living planet in this universe. Rivalries may be solved in different ways. Otherwise, our Earth will become non-living, being conversed. Rivalries may be solved in different ways. Otherwise, the earth will become non-living, being conversed. This is about my poem No War But Greenery for Sustenance. I am Dr. Patiya Das requesting all to see and share, subscribe this video as much as your capability or capacity. Thanking you.